In this video, let's talk about how do BMW wheel spacers work. Let's go.
BMW wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality BMW wheel spacers can help the G20 with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheels education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. BMW wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the G20. The lines of the BMW G20 will be fuller. Using BMW wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade a bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 12mm wheel spacers on the front of the G20, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many BMW owners who buy the Bonus Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacers. Bonus also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with extending wheel bolt.
If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers for your BMW G20, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.